Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Avon and you're welcome to my channel. Um Today I'm going to be showing you an amazing Nigerian jollof rice recipe that is really a staple, for me, because growing up on most Sundays we had jollof rice available. Now, I'm going to try my best to make this as healthy as possible. So stick with me on this one. This is really healthy and yummy for the full family. My toddler loves it, my baby loves it, my husband, everybody loves it. So it's really nice, guys. So these are the chickens I'm using. I did boil them and separated the stock. I boiled them with the gizzards and I separated them from the stock. Next, I'm rubbing them with some barbecue rub. They are low sugar, actually sugar free, and I'm just giving it a light rub. But this step is actually something that you can skip. It's optional. So I'm going to set it in the air fryer. I'm not going to deep fry it because why should I deep fry it when the air fryer would do it the same way for me, even better and crunchier. And guess what, it will have about 80% off the calorie content. Amazing. So if you're watching this video, I recommend an air fryer, guys. This is 2023. You need an air fryer in your kitchen if you are team healthy like me. So next we're going to saute some onions and then add the prawns to it and mix everything up and let it simmer. Let the prawns release its juice, its flavor into the oil, on low heat. And we're going to give that a stir. Add some garlic as well. If you have ginger, you can add it, but I didn't in this recipe. So we're going to give it stir, 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 stir. Next, remember I said about my gizzards with the chicken. So these are the gizzards, well seasoned before now and boiled. I'm mixing them up with the prawns and allowing everything to release its juice into the oil mixture. Now, if you can see, the oil isn't really sizzling, and it's sort of water and oil mixture because the water content from the prawns released into the oil. So this is perfect. So next I'm gonna add my tomato puree. This is a mixture of fresh tomatoes, red bell peppers, and onions only. That's what I used. So once I think everything is well incorporated together, I'm gonna add the tomato puree into it. And give it a very good stir. Verse of the day, Psalm 56 verse 4. In God I will praise his word. In God I have put my trust. I will not fear what flesh can do to me. Amen. So our chicken is ready, as you can see, golden brown. Really, the fat content already in the chicken is enough to give it a good fry using the air and just the mechanisms that the air fryer work with. So this is it. I mean, this is super healthy, or it's healthier than deep frying. And this is what I do. I really can't remember the last time I deep fried meat or chicken or any sort of protein at all. So I did have to switch to a bigger pot. Yes, guys. So this is it. So at this point you need to add that's my green seasoning that I made, green herbal seasoning. I'm gonna make a video on that. And then you go ahead to add your seasoning, whatever you use normally in your kitchen, your garlic powder, your spices and salt and whatever you use. And I added some bay leaf as well. So yeah, the chicken is perfectly golden brown now, and it's all done and ready for the next stage. And I was so scared that this silicone rack was going to cut into two, or just bust open, but it didn't. So yeah, I'm looking forward to making the video review on that product. So little oil, and we're gonna saute some onions, garlic, and ginger if you want. Next, we're gonna add some spring onions. By this time, the aroma in the kitchen was so good, guys. So good. So we're gonna add the chicken eggs and some fresh tomatoes on it and put it on low heat, the lowest. And we're going to allow the spices, the herbs, everything seep into the meat. Now at this point, you can add more pepper if you like. You can also add your spices and a little bit of salt, just as you like, and just cover it and just really allow it to simmer into each other and mix all up. Occasionally, you would give your jollof rice mixture a stir. We don't want it to get burnt, and we don't want all the amazing ingredients sticking to the bottom of the pot. So give it a good stir and cover it back up. You can taste it if there are any ingredients you need to adjust. Hopefully you've not put any ingredients in excess. So as you can see, it's going well. Jollof rice is getting ready. We're giving it a good stir again, and we'll leave it back on. At this point, I'm really standing close to the pot. No stories. No burnt jollof rice stories. So it's really delicate at this point. So everything is looking good. We're giving it another stir. This is a very delicate part of this jollof rice. As you can see, it's getting ready. And now I'm going to take it down from medium to almost low heat. So we want everything to come out good, color looking nice, and the rice tender but not too tender. You get what I mean? Yay, everything's looking good. Can you spot the gizzards, the prawns, and see how the tomato and everything, have a rough blend to it, and it's visible. It's not really smoothly blended. And the veggies, the carrots and the green peas, I added those, and I'm giving it a good mix. As you can see, I added it when it's almost dried, because I don't want to overly cook my vegetables. See how yummy it looks, guys. See how yummy it looks. At this point, it's on low heat now, and I just want everything to just dry up a little bit. Oh, there's this thing about Nigerian jollof rice that when it's ready, you just feel so hungry. See our chicken almost ready. I just want it to dry up a little bit. You see how the onion and the tomato has coated the chicken? Amazing. Most people are actually used to serving their jollof rice with like dry chicken, just air fried or deep fried chicken. But this is something you can have fun with, guys. See this jollof rice. See, oh my goodness. When I make this, it makes me miss home less. So It's good for the full family. Amazing. If you have stuck with me till this point, I want to say thank you so much. God bless you. I love you. Thank you for your views, your likes, your comments. Thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed, please support me by doing so. Thank you so much, guys, and enjoy making this recipe for your family. God bless you. Bye.